Friday? No, it's Saturday. I have to get some work done, and then we're leaving to go on a trip to the Zotter chocolate factory, and then we're going to spa. So it's gonna be an exciting day. The sun is shining. It's gorgeous outside, as you can see. And I'm just ready to rock and roll, really. So yeah, that's basically on the agenda tonight. We're going to be there all day today, so see you in a little bit. Okay, so we're basically here. Hey. We're walking to the chocolate factory. What's yours? Yeah. Cheers. It's not the most tasty thing I've ever had, so yeah. Gross. Okay, let's go. Wash it off. Well, that cocoa bean wasn't the best thing I've ever had. So far, so good. Yes! It's a good thing, which I don't know how to use, but it doesn't matter. What is that? Weizenpulver milling powder. No, czekaj, to są nie. Ili se jede? Ne. Okej. Da.
They consist of a very same pure cocoa. However, not until cocoa is brown.
Das. That's good. Coffee. Ovo je jako dobro. Oh my god. OMG. Šta je to? Karamel. Yes. Give it to me. Da, karamel. Ne znam. Bitter one. It's like 100% cocoa. Ovo miriše nešto kao što ja pijem. Ovo mi se ne dopada što god dajem. Je li ovo kurkuma? Ne znam. Jeste, kako znam, vidi mene. Jo, pa piše. Ginger, aha, tačno sam znala šta ne volim, mrzim ginger. Put all of these into the chocolate. Isn't that crazy? What is this? Rose petals. Da li me zata što ne stavljaju vajda u čokoladu? You should not munch the chocolate, but you should savor it by letting it melt. So I'm melting this in my mouth. Love white chocolate. The best thing in the world. I personally loved the milk chocolate, or like the dissolving chocolate. It was really good. And now we're going, I don't know where. I think we might be finished. I'm not sure. No. running chocolate. OMG. Okay. There was a popcorn chocolate thing, tasting station at the beginning, and I didn't taste anything, and now this looks like tasting station, but it's not because, yeah, of course. Yeah, so joke's on me who loves popcorn like crazy. We're basically done for today. We're waiting for our food, and then it should be time to go. So we just arrived. It's 10:15. I'm really tired. We had an awesome time at the chocolate factory. We tasted so much chocolate. I was actually nauseous at one point because it was just too much. I bought a bunch of little stuff, like chocolate for my boyfriend, my best friend, some for my mom, for my parents, and then I also got these chocolates that dissolve in hot milk. I'm gonna try those tomorrow. We also had a great time at the spa. Oh my god, it was so good. And the meal afterwards, perfect. It was literally what I needed in the midst of the exam season, because I don't know how I'm gonna make it through the next 2 weeks.
Anyway.
So this is basically my first ever vlog. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have ever been to Zotter's chocolate factory or any chocolate factory in general, or if you have any good recommendations for some spas around Austria. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.